Hello everyone, it's Vince Ovis with Versatop Support Systems. Today we're going to compare two of our newest products. On the left you'll see a 9 to 16 foot two-piece upright with our Glide Lock, and on the right our Inversion Series two-piece upright with Glide Lock. Now the two-piece is a little different. It still goes on a pin, but it has a little spring button on there, and you'll want to depress that as shown, and that'll lock it to the base. Now the great thing about the Inversion series is that once I got my drape up and across the poles on the drape support rod, I can walk right up to the upright using my body from the ground, lift the upright to the desired height. Can't do that with the old style. I have to go get a ladder if its minimum height is above my reach. Now it's interesting to note that it takes quite a lot longer to raise the drape line to the same height using my wrist and my shoulder, because I can only do a couple of inches at a time. Once the drape is set, I may notice that one pole is slightly higher than the other. That's no problem with the Inversion series. I can simply walk right up to the pole and lift or lower from the ground to the desired height. No need to go get a ladder. That was so simple. Now let's see how we take it down. I just simply walk up to the Inversion series, depress the release button, lower it to the desired height, and that's about it. I can take down the rest of the drape. I push the spring button to remove the pole from the base, and I put everything away. As you can see, our new Inversion series upright makes setup and takedown a snap. Thanks everybody for tuning in and watching another edition of Pipe and Drape 2.0. For more information about this great product, be sure to check out the description below. Don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that bell if you want to see all our latest videos.